Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your Google Pixel 6 Pro. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Next is to find app called Microsoft Edge, select it and install it. After installation process will be completed, you should see the open button on the green. So click on it. Here you can sign in to turn on synchronization, set up for your data sharing preferences, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, but you can also skip it. And if you allow these notifications, the app will be ready. So move on to any website, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.